Hello everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. My name is Teacher Alice, and this is English for Fun. Summer is here, so today I'll give you 10 useful expressions about summer. Expression number 1. It's a scorcher. A scorcher means very hot. Today is going to be a scorcher. Let's head to the beach. Number 2, to get a suntan. To get a suntan means to get brown skin as a result of the sun. Anna's got such beautiful skin after having been to Spain. She always gets a suntan so quick. Oh, lucky Anna. Number 3, to sunbathe. To sunbathe means to lay in the sun. There is nothing better than sunbathing with a good book. What about you? How do you sunbath? With a good book? Or just with your sunglasses sleeping? Number 4, to put on sun cream. To put on sun cream. I have a constant battle with my kids to put on sun cream before going to the beach. Well, actually it is. Every time we want to go to the beach, they don't want to put sun cream, but they will sunburn. They will have a sunburn if they don't put it. So I have a constant battle with my kids to put on sun cream before going to the beach. Number 5, to top up your sun cream. To top up your sun cream. To put more sun cream. To put more sun cream. It's recommended to top up your sun cream every 40 minutes during the day. Number 6, to cool down. To become less hot. To cool down. When it's too hot, when it's boiling hot, to cool down myself, I drink a big glass of lemonade. Number 7, to go for a dip. To go for a dip means to go for a swim, to go swimming. I prefer to go for a dip in the swimming pool than in the sea. Actually, it is. I feel more safe to swim in the swimming pool. Number 8, to beat the heat. To beat the heat means to avoid the heat. To beat the heat, we spend the day at the swimming pool when it's too hot, when it's scorcher. So to beat the heat, we prefer to spend the day at the swimming pool. Number 9, to have itchy feet. To have itchy feet means to want to travel. This summer, I have itchy feet. I really want to visit something new. And the last one, number 10, to live out of a suitcase. That means to live or stay somewhere temporarily with only a limited selection of your belongings. For example, Sam travels a lot for work. She lives out of her suitcase. This is the end of our video. I invite you to write your own expression about summer in the comment box. And for more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.